Welcome to season 2 of The Assignment. We are back bigger and better than ever. Hosted by design expert Gene Alert, each episode takes you to the streets of New York where Gene works his magic to transform every corner of a client's property. Get ready for the jaw-dropping transformations.
Oh my gosh!
Unexpected twist.
I'm literally pulling off tile off the wall.
And the thrill of seeing a place come to life, all
Today,
in The
I have a
Assignment.
special guest. This is my son. Get it right the first time. People, get it right the first time. So, Saturday morning, and I'm on my way to Long Island. We're leaving Brooklyn right now. So our guest this morning, I told her, look, here's the address, here's the assignment, here's the before pictures, and you'll see them. And I know it's a long drive, but it's worth it, right? It's worth it. And the transformation, the assignment was completed. So we want to see, we're on our way to Long Island right now to go meet our special guest for this episode to see if I understood the assignment. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Nikki, the CEO of the 1029 Group and one of Gene's closest friends. Now, Gene has been telling me about this project he's been working on, and I absolutely love home renovations. And he's been trying to get me out, and I finally made the trek here. It's an hour to Deer Park, but I'm really excited to see what he's done with this space. I saw the before pictures and oh my gosh, it was absolutely horrendous. So I'm really trying to see how he transformed this bathroom. So let's go. Oh my goodness. No, Gene has outdone himself. How did he do this? I have no words. I have absolutely no words. This is insane. Like, how did he transform this small space like this? Like, I was trying to see how he was gonna do this. This unimaginable. Wow, look at this mirror. Oh, this is a girl's dream come true. Like, I'm like a makeup girly, so this works. This really works. And the fixtures, I'm loving this brassy look. I'm really loving how this design, like it really works with this hexagon shaped tile, and let me see. Oh, this is a soft close. Oh man, he literally thought of everything. See, I love how he incorporated this recessed area, really just minimizing, or I should say maximizing the space. Oh my gosh, the rain shower. I feel like I'm in a spa. Wow. Oh, and this is just insane. Oh wait, I've never seen this before. This is like a light fixture, but it has all these, what is this? Ah, the fan. This is so neat. And it has a microphone. Wait, don't tell me there's a speaker in here. Oh my gosh, this is... He left no stone unturned, I tell you. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to speak to Gene. This is incredible. Gene, I am impressed.
Oh, what's
Gene!
up? What's up, Nikki?
What's up? How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good, Gene. Listen, this was worth the trip. This was worth the trip. I was like, small bathroom. What changes could you possibly make in here? But I came in here, I was blown away. I was blown away. How did you make this tight space look so grand? Like, Gene, listen, the star of the show?
The star of the show, right?
Yes. I walked in here and first thing I saw, I've always seen like clear ones,
glasses,
you know?
yeah.
But like and I wouldn't even think that like a black translucent would work in a tight space. I thought it would like make it feel smaller. But no, I think if this wasn't here, it wouldn't be giving what it's giving.
Giving, right? Yeah, no, and you want to know something funny? So shout out to my guy George, right? So George does the custom glasses for me. And once I asked him, I did a project, and I said, I want a black glass, I want a gray glass. And he was like, I can make that for you. So this is 1/2 inch, well, not 1/2 inch, it's 3/8, so it's thicker. And than the normal standard glass that you would buy at like one of those hardware stores, right?
Okay.
And it's an L-shaped channel, right?
Okay.
So the water isn't gonna go through. It's sealed.
Right.
It's 41, right? So that we have enough space just in case that the client wants to put an additional door. We have the space for the door.
Got it.
Right? For a shower door. Okay. And then, but we did such a pitch that the water is never gonna come out.
Right.
Because everyone's like, how's the water? How are you gonna do this?
Right.
Yeah, but there's a slant.
I do see it.
So it goes this way.
Right.
You know. So and that was actually one of the issues that or challenges because it is a tight space. So what we did to make the space feel so open is we blew out the wall, that back wall, and this wall.
Oh, just to open it up a little bit
and
more.
we shifted the entryway of the door to the bathroom over to the right.
Got it. Okay.
So, but we kept the doors, we kept the moldings from the original bathroom to keep the space because I didn't want the clients to have to change everything down
you carried
here.
it throughout because the wood is out there.
Because we would have to change everything.
Got it.
If you change this one, so. We added. What besides the glass? What's your favorite part? I can tell you. I'm gonna tell you mine.
Come on now.
This mirror actually has a defogger.
I saw that. What's this right here?
So this changes the different colors, the temperature. Yeah. And then it dims.
Ooh.
So look, it dims, or you can turn it up.
This is so, you can control the mood in here.
Yes.
So this definitely was a star as well. And the fact, it's crazy because just the reflection, like the blackboard and the reflection on the translucent, it does amazing things.
We put the USB ports here.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Yeah, on the GFI.
Oh, so you could charge your phone up.
You can charge your phone, do your hair, whatever you want to do. We also added a niche, and in this bathroom, from most of our bathrooms, we usually do tiled niches, but this one is lighted.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
See, I missed that. How did I miss that? I was like, why are these bottles like?
Why are
they glowing?
Why they glowing, right? Yeah.
Why are they glowing? But now I see, oh my God, to even think of adding a light in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's pretty cool.
The white tile, the black and white.
And look at the dimmer.
Oh man. Oh man.
Yeah. So we have Alexa in here, but it's not set up yet, right?
Okay.
So the client didn't turn it on, but it still has the Bluetooth.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, listen, music.
So watch this. Alexa.
Oh, it's not ready yet.
It's not ready yet.
It's not ready, but it's okay.
But the Bluetooth is connected, so you can connect music to it while you're taking a shower.
Oh, I absolutely love music when I'm taking a shower. So then just to have that built in.
And then we put the rainfall shower in here.
I saw that. Love the fixtures and then how it carries through to the toilet.
Yeah. We went with a Swiss Madison one-piece toilet with the the flush, the dual on top, new window. We put lights in the ceiling. We put a vent. You know, so
Yeah,
this bathroom is beautiful.
it is. And it's like, how can I say this? This is something that's gonna last a very, very long time. You did such an amazing job.
Thank you.
Definitely worth the drive out. Definitely.
Thank you.
Definitely worth the drive
Let me
out.
ask you a question. Did I understand the assignment?
Jean, you overstood the assignment. Overstood.
Thank you so much. Nikki, I know you have the marketing company. I know you have the image consulting business. Like, I wanted you to come here so you could see what I'm doing out here, right? Do you see like the passion? Because we went on a trip. So we went on a trip together and like we were talking the whole time, the four of us, we're all just talking about like design and construction and all this stuff. But you see my passion, like
Absolutely, absolutely. And listen, like I've followed you since you first started, and you were always great to begin with. But it's
Yeah.
like as you're progressing, it's like it's getting better and
Better,
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 bigger
yeah.
and bigger,
Yeah,
and it's
yeah.
just like
Yeah, thank you.
how does he outdo the last one? And every time you keep taking it up another notch and another notch and another notch, and just outdoing the one previously.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
like I literally said, oh, this space is small.
Yeah,
This
I
space is
know.
small, but. Blown away.
Blown away.
Blown away.
Thank you.
Blown away.
You know-
Absolutely proud of everything
Thank
that
you.
you're doing with
I
design and
appreciate
build
that.
and
Appreciate it.
yeah.
Appreciate it. And the funny thing is, you know how I got this client? Well, first of all, I knew this particular client because I worked with her sister. And then we lost contact and I was actually working down the block. I sold this house down the block and I'm actually gonna take you there so
Okay.
you can see it. And the client that bought the property was like, I told them like, you need to renovate the front of your house. Like, let me do it. I'll show you what I could do. Let me do it. Give me a chance. So months later, like maybe like 4 or 5 months later after they settled in the house, recouped, they called me back like, Gene, we want to do our housewarming. We need you to do this before summertime. Like, so I was like, okay. So right before I went away for my anniversary trip, I go do the job. Once I was doing the job, this client was driving down the block and was like, oh, what are you doing? So I was like, oh, this is what I do. I renovation
Yeah.
and I transform spaces. They're like, yo, come down the block, check out this bathroom. And that's how it happened, So, matter of fact, let me just take you to show you what I did down the block.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go. All right, so Nikki, remember I was telling you about this driveway?
Yeah.
So I'm taking you to the after.
Oh
but-
my gosh.
Yeah,
Oh wow, there's a lot of water damage.
yeah, this is blacktop. So after years of, people driving on it, just
and tear,
wear and tear,
yeah.
salt, it cracks up and everything. So, so this is it.
Okay.
But wait until you see. So one car could fit inside, the driveway. And as you can see, walking down the block, you'll see everybody expanded
Their
their
driveways.
driveways.
Yeah.
But no one did it like this,
Oh.
right?
Yeah.
Full pavement. I think it's the best way to start get the block started. And
Oh, because it's a corner house.
it's a corner house.
Ah.
This is
Oh wow.
this is the outcome.
This doesn't even look like the same driveway.
Yep.
This is really, really nice. It definitely, definitely stands out now, especially being the first home that when you cut that corner, very, very nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Great job, Gene.
Thank
how
you,
long,
thank you.
How long did this take?
7 days.
No way.
No, this job?
Yes.
Oh no. 2 days.
2 days?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. 2 days.
Oh, wow.
2 days. A Saturday and a Sunday. Yep.
This is incredible for 2 days.
2 days.
What would you call like this stone? Like what
This is paver stone.
paver stone.
Yeah,
Okay.
pavers.
Okay.
So paver XLs.
Okay.
So we went with a Cambridge, right? Two-tone.
Okay.
So the board. So you have the borders.
Right.
So as you can see, we have the border on the the apron right here, and then the driveway, and even around the whole border, around next to the steps. You know.
Right. What made you pick this color?
to match the house
Okay.
and the steps,
Right.
you know?
Yeah.
So we didn't want to go with like a gray
Mhm.
because, you know, it wouldn't work.
Right.
So we didn't, you know, we were trying to save the client money.
Right.
At the same time, like not
Sacrifice
the quality of
Right.
the, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It definitely like continues the warmth of the house.
Yeah,
down
exactly.
here. Yeah.
And it looks like it's always been here.
Yeah. Absolutely. Amazing job, Gene.
Thank you. I understood
So-
this assignment too.
You understood it both. Yes. Awesome work.
I get 2. I understood the assignment twice.
Yes.
Let me take
Indoor,
my glasses off.
outdoor.
I
indoor,
understood the assignment
outdoor.
twice. Indoor, outdoor, like
Listen.
Nikki said.
Indoor, outdoor. He's the man to call.
There you have it. Another episode of The Assignment. Thank you so much, Nikki, for coming out from Brooklyn to come out to Long Island, Deer Park, and checking out The Assignment. Not only did she see my inside work, she saw my outside work also. And as you guys can see, I understood the assignment. So let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts, which one you like best, right? And see you next time. Get it right the first time.